Do what the billionaires do, right? Well, not exactly. You can't just invest in every asset they pick and expect you'll earn the same way that they do. Still, there is a benefit to knowing which assets they choose to grow their money further and why. It's also worth looking at the stocks that they chose and tanked. It's all about perspective. In our next two videos, we're going to look at 10 billionaires, their favorite stocks, and some of their reasons for choosing them. Let's start with our first five. Number 1, George Soros and Rivian Automotive. Rivian is 28.1% of Soros' portfolio for a whopping $2.1 billion in value. Soros has a net worth of $8.6 billion. He is best known for his 1992 bet against the British pound, which reportedly reaped him a profit of $1 billion. Rivian manufactures electric sport utility vehicles. They opened with $78 per share. Soros paid $103.69 per share. It peaked at $129 and is currently down to $35. I wonder if he's buying any more. Number 2, Brian Higgins and Hertz Global. Yes, Hertz officially emerged from Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection in October. The car rental company is 28.3% of Higgins' portfolio. Higgins also owns some of T-Mobile. It's 7.8% of his portfolio. Hertz peaked at $35 in 2021. It is now $21. Number 3, Andrew Law and Pfizer. Andrew Law owns $141.2 million of Pfizer stocks. That's 14.4% of his portfolio. The rich get richer in part by anticipating changes in market sentiment, which would help explain Caxton Associates greatly increasing its stake in Pfizer during the fourth quarter. Aside from the 3.6% dividend yield, it is also one of the few stocks surviving the bear market. It's only down to $49 from its peak of $59. Number 4, Daniel Sondheim and Expedia. Sondheim's timing was impeccable. Sondheim bought in when Expedia hit the bottom in 2020. Shares in EXPE are up more than 260% since that pandemic low, outperforming the S&P 500 by 170 percentage points. When Expedia crashed, it fell to $48. It is now $105. A vast improvement, but not quite as good as their all-time high $202 in February of this year. Number 5, Stephen Tannenbaum and Valaris. Valaris is an oil and gas driller. They went bankrupt and came back up in the second quarter of 2021. The oil price hike has rewarded Tannenbaum handsomely. VAL stock has gained 90% from its lows. Shares are up to 24% for the years to date, beating the broader market by more than 30 percentage points. Valaris is up to $41 from its $22 when it reemerged from bankruptcy. Are you invested in any of these stocks? Let us know in the comment section below and watch the next part for the next 5 billionaires. This has been Natalie Denise for Noble Gold Investments. Please like, share, and subscribe to keep yourself updated.